All right, so let's discuss how navigation really works, the stack navigation. When you navigate from screen 1 to screen 2 and when you click on the back button, how does the component and navigation knows that the back screen is screen number 1, not another screen? Okay, so let's discuss it. Okay, so if you are like learning React Native from after React, then you might have experienced use effect or componented mount and will mount in class based and use effect in functional based. Okay, let's discuss this with the bit dirtier illustration. Okay, let's say this is screen A and this is screen B. Okay, okay, let's just okay. Right now we have just screen A. Okay, when the screen A it comes on the screen, its component. Let me add where. Its component get rid of. Okay, let's say we have screen A. When it comes on the screen, its component will be called. Okay, that's where we know that we have a screen A like in the logic right now. Okay, let's say we go to screen B from screen A. Okay, mostly when the component changes from one state to another, its component date unmount also calls. Okay, but in this case, the component date will unmount of A is not called yet when we go to screen B. Okay, but when we reach the screen B, we will have a call that component did mount for component B is called for screen B is called. Okay, now the component will mount for both of the screen are called. Okay, but component did unmount for both of screens are not count. When we click on the back button, when we tap on the back button, we get redirected to screen A. Let's see. When we are going to the back, the component did unmount the back of the screen B will be mounted, and the screen will be residing no more. When we tap on the back, the component did unmount is called, and we get redirected to our previous screen. Same is the case with A, but we are not going back from A. We are going only ahead. So we have screen A still in the stack. So that was the whole operation. Thank you.